Hello everyone, for this vlog guys, I am going to cook again chicken, but by Manny's version, kinamatisan manok or chicken and tomatoes. Ito guys, oh, lalaki guys, oh. Yan, lalaki. So what I'm going to do is to slice and make it half. This chicken guys is 1.5 kg o isa't kalahating kilo. Okay, mayroon tayong white onions and tomatoes, marami ito. Mayroon tayong bitsuelas, bawang, ayan, at simple sili. Mayroon tayong sibuyas, mayroong sili, at mayroong kunting carrots, yan, at patatas, ayan guys. Maraming pitsay, ayan guys, mga pitsay guys, oh. Naihanda ko na guys, ayan. So hiwain ko muna ang mga manok guys. Ayan guys, I have already sliced into half. Alright, it's already hot, very hot. So what I'm going to do guys is to partially fry all the chicken. Small oil. Yan. I-fry na natin. At ang salt. Other side guys, 3 minutes also the other side. Okay na ito guys, at least partially fry, hindi naman natin talagang lutuin siya. Same procedure for the other half. Natrabaho lang siya guys, but your hard work will pay it. Balik pa rin natin guys. Advantage of doing this guys, partially fry, is to make it burn the chicken, and also the smell will be eliminated. Okay guys, it's already been partially fried. Lumabas yung taba ng ano guys, chicken. So dumami yung same casserole guys. Ito natin lulutuin. Yung mga natira dyan kayo yung maaris yun. White onions guys. Tayo natin lumabas yung kaluluwa guys. Let's cover it until caramelize. By the way guys, you can use any variety of onion. Whatever you're preparing, you can use it. Either brown onion, red onion, or whatever onion you like. Any will do. Ayan. Sili, optional guys. Yan, optional lang yung sili guys. So, maraming kamatis guys. Kaya kinamatisan na manok. Alam ko mahal ang kamatis sa Pinas. So, kapasisan na yun. Lagyan natin ang ano guys. ground black pepper. Ayan. Ubusin ko na itong hot seasoning. Hindi na lang. Ay, parang marami pa guys. Ito tao lang. So, hintayin natin guys na kalurot-larot na itong mga kamatis guys. Let's cover and simmer for a while. Let's bring to medium hot. Oh, yun. Lumalabas na yung kapas. Larot-larot na guys. Mas maganda guys, gamitin natin na kamatis yung hinog. Kaya pinili ko itong hinog. Ilagay na natin ang mga par fry natin ng mga manok. Yan. Yan, sarap na. Yan, mikos-mikos guys. At lagyan ko siya ng patis. Fish sauce. Isa. Dalawa. Pero kalahating kutsara guys. Let's mix it together. Cover. Get it simmer 5 minutes. Let us see. Wow. Lagay na natin ang pinakulong tubig. Boiled water guys. I will add boiled water. I think this is sufficient enough. Okay guys, cover and get it boiled. Let's see what's going on. Guys, I will add pork cube. Kung gusto lang, sa may gusto lang. If you don't like, no need to put. Tikman natin guys, para maihusto natin ang kanyang lasa. Oh, wow. Little salt guys. Okay. Yan. Cover and get it boiled up to 7 minutes. Yan. Let's check guys. Lagyan na natin yung carrots guys. Actually not required guys, but I want only very colorful. And these bichuelas or baggy beans, let's put together. And guys, with the siling pangsigang na hiniwa-hiwa ko. Hindi naman mga, you see, now very colorful now. That's his Manish version. Okay, so let's cover and wait for another 5 minutes. Let's check once again. Okay, so hindi naman luto na. Pati ang patatas. So, This is another optional, guys, chicken powder, 1 teaspoon. If you don't have, if not available in your place, just leave it. Okay. Ooh. Amoy pa lang. Amoy pa lang, guys, ulam na. Then a little of onion rings, yan, sibuyas dahon o sibuyas mora. To make it very colorful. Ayan, guys. And last is pitsay. Ayan, guys. A lot of pitsay, guys. My favorite pitsay. Ayan. Ang sarap ito, guys. Yan. Just cover it for 30 seconds. Here we go. Oh, so delicious. Guys, it's game over, guys. Let's off the heat and we will have our platings now. Legs. I want legs. Potatoes. Guys, palaway portion. Right, this is it. Dito na tayo sa tikiman portion or palaway portion. Thank you so much, guys, that you reached up to this portion na kung saan ay ating titikman ang ating kinamatisang manok with overload veggies. Ayan, guys, oh. Masarap ito sa bahaw na kanin. Yan, pitsay. Hita ng manok. Patatas. Mayroon pang carrots. Okay. A little of sabaw, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. First bite for you guys. Walang lansa, guys. Ayan, oh. Gulay. Dito niyo makikita sa Manny's version ang mga kakaibang luto, guys. Ayan, oh. Sarap, guys. Kung may patikim ko lang sa inyo, guys, yak na makakalimutan nyo ang pangalan ng kapitbahay. Yan. Winner na panalo pa. Thank you so much once again sa inyong pagsusubaybay sa aking mga Manny's version cooking, guys. And I really appreciate your love and support to my premieres, especially cooking. And once again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you. Bye.